Okay, here's my damage from Hurricane Florence. Duke Energy Repairman, which the repair people are the greatest in the world, they came out and cut the live power line for me and strung it back up nice and high and left it like this because I have Duke's amazing home wiring protection plan where they have a 24/7 repair line you can call and they'll get somebody right out to fix your problem, which I pay for additional every month. And I paid for mine and I called yesterday and reported my problem. They're going to send somebody right out. Well, it is well over 24 hours later. Nobody showed. I can't get anybody on the line. I called the 24/7 number. They're not there. They're not working. So they're not available. They may be back in the office Monday. I can try then. So I can either pay out of my pocket to get something repaired that I pay for every month so I don't have to worry about it, if I can find an electrician. But here I sit, a third day in the row with no air, no heat, my refrigerator, all my food going bad, because I depended on Duke Progress Energy's wiring plan. So if I were you, I would not waste your money. Save your money and pay for it yourself. At least that way you'll know if your repairman's coming or not. I filed a claim yesterday and was told a repairman would be on their way. They would text me when he was en route. I waited and I never got a reply. And now I can't get anybody to answer the phone, and I have been transferred for 900 different numbers. And let me tell you, the people at the call center that they transferred me to in Florida are the rudest people I've ever seen. I know they're dealing with a lot, and my problem may not seem like much, but it is a lot to me. So this is my hurricane damage that I'm going to have to pay for myself because I can't sit around waiting on Duke Energy to decide whether or not they're going to send a repairman to fix it or not. And then once I get a electrician to come fix it, I got to call Duke back to come and turn my power back on. So I might not have my power for a week. All my neighbors have their power back on, but I don't.